Hello guys and welcome back to Tech Daydream. In this video, I am going to be reviewing the Logitech Z200 multimedia speakers. And it's been a while since I have uploaded a new video, so I figured out I'll just get this out of the way and we'll just do a quick review about what these speakers can offer. And now, let's get into the unboxing. Okay, first off we have the power adapter. Next will be the Logitech multimedia speakers itself. Very nice design, simple, not too over the top, and they're very compact. Then we have a bass adjustment control wheel, and of course your 3.5mm auxiliary input jack. Logitech has been known for their quality of products, and that makes me more comfortable and more confident with the purchase. Let's hear what it sounds like being compared to a pair of studio monitors. So to wrap things up, I'm very happy with the purchase. My goal here is low power consumption, and I'm not going to use my studio monitors for everything. I hope you guys enjoyed this very brief review of the Logitech Z200. It's very straightforward. These are very good. If you plan to get one, you're gonna really like it, enjoy it. These are not bad at all. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel. It's been a while since I've uploaded something. I apologize. I'll make sure I'll make more interesting content in the future, and I will see you on the next one.